family is taking their medical battle to court in Indianapolis to demand that a mother be given a drug that's not approved for the treatment of COVID-19. A doctor has prescribed ivermectin, but the hospital will not allow the drug to be given to the patient. Our Rich Nye looks into the ethical and legal issues at stake here.
A woman filed the lawsuit in Marion County Circuit Court on behalf of her mother, who was hospitalized at Ascension St. Vincent on 86th Street. We don't know the patient's condition, but the family attorney indicates she has been hospitalized for some time with serious symptoms. The lawsuit says a doctor has prescribed ivermectin, but Ascension St. Vincent has refused to provide the unapproved treatment for COVID-19.
You have an obligation to provide care which is beneficial and which you believe, given your training experience, is actually beneficial, has a hope or a possibility of helping and not hurting. And therefore, they are taking a correct hard line to say, we do not believe this will benefit you. We believe it may harm you, and therefore we are perhaps compassionately saying no.
Ivermectin is used to treat parasites in animals and people, but it is not approved by the FDA for the prevention or treatment of COVID-19.
The hospital would have an independent duty to not just fulfill the physician's prescription, but actually to exercise its own judgment as to what was the standard of care, because it could be held liable should something adverse occur.
Do you see any right of this patient or this family on behalf of a patient to seek the use of ivermectin?
I am unaware of any legal basis for a court to order an off-label use of any medication over basically the objections of a treating physician in hospitals. That almost presumes that courts would know better than everyone else and that they would almost be superimposing themselves, their own judgment upon that of the doctor.
It is simply not your right to have an ethical claim to any treatment you think, or maybe some other doctor thinks, could help you.
A court hearing is scheduled Tuesday afternoon.